Bumworks Diaper Toilet Sprayer Kit, Brass Chrome by Kitty Baby is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. The wait is over. Finally, a sprayer with an adjustable water pressure nozzle. No more need to play with the T-valve at the base of the toilet to get your optimal pressure. Simple, slide the lever on the nozzle from off to power mode and experience the control like never before. No more messy cleanups. Bumworks gets the job done and cleans poopy diapers in a flash. Clean up is a breeze. Great for personal hygiene, used as a bidet. Convenient and easy to use. Perfect cloth diaper toilet sprayer. Strong pressure and brass nozzle gets job done. Easy installation, no plumbers required. Takes less than 5 minutes. Comes with brass chrome bidet, metal hose, T-valve and mounting clip adapter. Fits standard American toilet with 7/8 connection. No substitutions. Don't settle for substitutions and knockoffs. Get the sprayer that started it all.